I used to make my sweet and sour sauce with pineapple juice, salt, and all kinds of stuff. Then came low sodium. I'd been cooking for my best friend for over 50 years, and we had to change the way we looked at food. He's always really good about being my taste tester and giving me an honest answer. Sometimes I just have a hard time. I think about things, and sweet and sour sauce was one of them. I just couldn't quite get grips to. I was laying there at night thinking before I went to sleep, what can I do? How can I make this good? I went to sleep. And I woke up, thought, oh, I can do that. I can replace this with that. I can do this. Next morning, got up and wrote it up, and sure enough, it's really good. The lowest sodium sweet and sour sauce that I could find at my grocery store is 60 milligrams per tablespoon. Now, we can do a bit better than that. First thing we have to get is Chinatown soy sauce. The lowest sodium soy sauce I could find at my store, 575 milligrams for 1 tablespoon. This has 145. You order it from Healthy Heart Market. It's called Chinatown soy sauce. Takes about 2 weeks to get to you. It's worth the wait. You can make things with this. They also have a sweet and sour sauce that has 6 milligrams of sodium for a tablespoon. It's good to have on hand for that occasion when you reach in your freezer to get a package of our homemade and you find out you've used it all and everything's ready, then check this out. But we like the homemade so much better. Healthy Heart Market has got a lot of good things for you. I have in my pan 3 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of bottle of water in a small bowl until it kind of makes a little slurry. And then put it in our saucepan with 2 tablespoons of Heinz no salt added ketchup, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of the grated peel. 1 1/4 cups of orange juice. My concentrate says it has no sodium. And then I also put in 1 tablespoon of the grated peel. I like the texture that it gives. It's just kind of nice to have it in there. 1 tablespoon of the Chinatown soy sauce, 1 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'll heat this on my stove and whisk it until it starts to thicken. And then I'm going to measure and see how much we got. It kind of depends on how long I let it boil. We're just going to let it thicken a little bit. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday, I'll be posting a new low sodium recipe or a tip to help you keep it low, sometimes both. Click on the little bell and you'll be notified when I put out a new video just for you. It took about 5 minutes for the sauce to thicken. If you want your sauce to be red, you can put red food coloring in if you want to. I just don't want to do it. We're not adding any salt for preservative, so our shelf life is not going to be as long as store-bought would be. Freeze what you're not going to use in 2 or 3 days, and you'll have it on hand. Grab it out and use it. Once it's thawed out, sometimes I have to add just a little bit more cornstarch to it to Thicken it back up? Sometimes I don't. Can't answer why. Our sauce is smooth because the kitchen witch is on duty. My mother bought all of us girls a kitchen witch, 25, 30 years ago. Her purpose is to make sure that you have smooth gravy, and and she works on sauces too. Do a little taste test. We like it like this. If you want a little more ketchup, you can put it in. A little more sugar, a little more vinegar, whatever it is. Doctor that recipe up and make it perfect for you so you can make it the way you want it every time. A good sweet and sour sauce will open up a whole new world. A rice bowl with a little bit of chicken. Look in the fridge, see if you've got any leftover veggies, carrots, corn, beans, peas, whatever it is, and put it in there. A mighty fine meal. You can simmer meatballs in it after they're cooked. And what an appetizer this is. A toothpick stuck in a meatball. It's got a little onion and it's got a little bit of Mrs. Dash Caribbean citrus seasoning in it. Put these out. Let people dip their meatballs in the sauce. You're going to have some really happy company. We got 2 1/4 cups of really good sweet and sour sauce. 1 tablespoon of ours has 4.31 milligrams of sodium. You can use this on a lot of things.